The Government of India actually mooted the idea of transforming the aspirational districts in January 2018 to improve Human Development Index of India by focusing on districts that were performing very poorly on the development agenda. Piramal Swasthya managed to partner with Niti Aayog to transform the health and nutrition indicators across 25 of these aspirational districts spread across 7 states. These 25 districts together account for approximately 3.5% of India's population, which is about 41 million people. So we developed the project on 4 pillars: capacity building, transforming health infrastructure, strong community engagement, what we call as Jan Andolan, and operationalizing social benefit schemes. Collaborations and partnerships were based on knowledge transfer, adapting successful models, utilizing resources for capacity building, and so on. All partners bring their expertise onto the table with a commitment to the common goal of bringing positive change in the health and nutrition indicators of these districts.
Our basic philosophy as far as the foundation is concerned is we believe that problems of India can only be solved if it is done on scale. And the only way scale can happen is if we partner with governments.
The partners of the project range from grassroots level organizations to the organizations that take part in policy making. Each partner complements the other in their skill sets and expertise and therefore contributes towards the program in their own unique way, truly representing the concept of successful collaboration. We believe that this project is game-changing because it not only focuses on moving key social development indicators, but also has changed the perspective towards these districts itself. The convergence, collaboration, and competition between districts have actually re-energized the government functions. Today, we can actually confidently say that in the last 36 months of this project, the indicators related to health and nutrition have moved significantly. The latest UNDP report, which was just released about 2 weeks ago, lauded this initiative as a very successful model of local area development that should serve as a best practice for several other countries where regional disparities exist. We are now developing an institutional governance framework which will go a long way in ensuring sustainability. The next step, of course, is to build another layer of collaboration to scale our work across all 112 aspirational districts through what we are calling an Aspirational Districts Collaborative. Platforms like AVPN can play an instrumental role in bringing partners to the same forum on the same platform and help them identify and reach out to potential collaborators. It gives an opportunity to engage with multiple partners and share each other's experiences, thereby help build better collaborations.